Very good morning, dears. Hope all of you are fine and doing the work which is sent through the videos and the classes for every subject. Now, yesterday we have completed exercise 3.1 from the chapter addition. Now we'll be beginning exercise 3.2 today. Again, question number 1, you have to do it in the book itself, though the places are provided in the book. Okay, so it's a 5-digit numbers where we are going to add in exercise 3.2. Question number 1, do it in the book. You have to do question number 1 in the book itself. Okay, then we'll begin with question number 2. When they have given you find the sum is totally optional whether you are finding the sum straight or you are writing it in the column. But when they have given you the heading arrange in columns and add, then you have to write it in the column. That is compulsory. This is the difference between question number 2 and 3. 2, you are allowed to do the sum straight, but question number 3, you have to write the numbers in column and add. This is compulsory, though it is mentioned in the heading. Now question number 2, it says find the sum. 2 1, it's given 15,101 plus 22,347. I can add it up straight also. 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3. Or if you want, you can write it in this way: 15,101, then 22,347, then add it up. Is up to you, totally optional, either straight or in a column. That is for question number 2. Repeatedly I am saying you. But for question number 3, only this way we have to write. Now look at question number E from 2. It's given 72,107 plus 5,301. Why they have asked you to do it straight? Because these are without carrying. We don't have to carry the number. 7 plus 1 8, 0 plus 0 0, 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 2 7, and this gives you 7. So this way we can add it up, is it? But in question number 3, we have the numbers where we have to carry it, most probably. So there we have to use it column method. We have to write the numbers in column and we have to add it up. So look at number C. Number 3, it says 21,141 and 58,307. Compulsorily we have to write it as column. Add it up: 7 and 1 8, 4, 3 1 1 4, 8 9. So this gives you this. Number C, look, is given 14,231, 21,340 and 33,402. So we'll write it in the column: 21,340, 33,402. Now add it up. 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 2 6, 3 3 6 plus 4 10, carrying 1, 4 and 1 5 and 1 6, 3 9, 3 2 5 and 1 6. So the answer is this. So this way we have to add question number 3 from exercise 3.2. Same thing in exercise 3.3, question number 1 in the book itself. Now we'll see exercise 3.3. Here we have to add 5-digit numbers again, and number 1 in the book itself, number 2 we'll do it in the copy. It says find the sum. Now here it is carrying 23,789 plus 32,016. I would like to suggest you add it in the column, though it is the carrying one. If you are confident enough, you can do. But if you are not, as I can do it. If you are confident, you do it. Most welcome. 9 and 6, 15. Carrying 1. And 1, 2 plus 8, 10. Again carrying 1. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. And 3 plus 2, 5. So this will be this. If you want to write it in column, 23,789, 32,016. Add it up. 9 plus 6, 15, 5 here, carrying 1. 8 plus 2, 10, 0 here, carrying 1. 7 plus 8, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. We are getting the same thing. So if you are confident enough to add it up straight using carrying ones, you can do, no problem at all. And if not, you are most welcome to write it in the column and add. Does not matter what you are going. Now look at number 8. Here you have 3 numbers given to you. 49,128 plus 32,476 plus 12,107. We'll write it in the column. Eight, 6, 14 and 7, 21. Carrying 2. 2, 2, 4 and 7, 11. Again carrying 1. 1, 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. 9 and 2, 11 to 13. Carrying 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 8 and 1, 9. So this will be so this way we have to do question number 2. Similarly, we have to do question number 3 also. So let us see question number 3 also. With that, we'll wind off today's class. All the exercises number 1 have to be done in the book only, because there are places given to you. And afterwards, the same things are given for question number 2 and 3. So we'll do question number 2 and 3 in the copy. 3A. It is given 43,109 and 31,815. So we'll write it 43,109, 31,850. We'll add it up. 9 plus 5, 14. Carrying 1, 2. 8 and 1, 9. 3 and 1, 4. 4 and 3, 7. So this gives you 74,924. Look at number D. 44,324. 12,897. Then 7,854. Is it? Now we'll just write it in the column. 44,324, 12,897, 4, 5, 8, 7. There is nothing at the 10,000 place, so we'll leave it as it is. Now we'll add it up. 4, 4, 8, 7, 15. Carrying 1. 2 and 1, 3, 9, 12. 5, 17. Carrying 1. 3 and 1, 4 and 8, 12 and 8, 20. Carrying 2. 4, 2, 6. 2, 8, 7, 15, carrying 1, 4 and 2, 6. So this will be the answer for question number D. So with that, we'll finish today's exercise. You have to finish exercise 3.2 and 3.3 in your copy. That is only question number 2 and 3 from both the exercises. Question number 1, you will do it in the book itself. You don't have to do it in the copy. Okay, dear? Take care. Thank you.